are unboxing our gift from Binance. Exchange the word. Let me bring it close. Oh yeah, so today I'll be unboxing this. If you want to see what's inside this beautiful box, please grab your popcorn and ice cream and sit tight while we unbox it. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amy Sesha as usual. Yeah, so today I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like, I woke up this morning feeling the vibes to film. So yeah, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do it to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate, like, you guys are making me smile all the time. Yeah, so please do it to subscribe, like, and share. Like I said, if this is your first time, and also for the returning subscribers, please share with friends. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed and you keep watching, please subscribe. Like, why? Subscription is free. Please subscribe, help my ministry. Yes. So today's video, like you've seen on the title, is unboxing. As you can see, the box is not actually tight, it's free, because it was actually delivered to my boss. So definitely he's going to open it to see what is inside, so that in case they put money. Yeah, so anyways, it was actually delivered to my boss when I was still in Pangasinan, and when I came to Manila, I think I got it like 2 weeks later. But man, the laziness I say I want to film this thing, like, it's not easy. To me, this is an achievement, you know, because this is a platform that has a lot of people. So for you to be singled out, that means well, anyway, singled out because I'm working under somebody. Before someone would think I have money. It's not my money I'm using to do it. I'm working for someone. Yeah, so like, I feel like this is one of my best 2021 gifts, because honestly I felt so happy, because I like when I'm doing something and I'm being appreciated for it. Like, I don't know, those of you that have been watching me, you must have heard me said something like, I work day and night, though even if they are paying me for it, it's not as if I'm working for free. But at least show appreciation that yes, my hard work, you're noticing it, or let me know that you see my works. You get? Yeah, so I feel like this was like a compensation for my sleepless night and all that. Honestly, since it came, I have not like removed everything in it, because I wanted to open it in front of the camera, because you know, anything that has to do with clothes and all that, you can't fold it the way the people packaged it, fold it. So that was why I'm like, I'm gonna open this. So in case I wanted to say, in case you want to try them out, this is their website, www.binance.com. It's, yeah, I'm not here to say anything about Binance. I'm here to unbox my gift. But anyways, yeah, let's dive right into it. Sorry, I have a message. Let's dive right into it and see what's inside. Then yeah, Binance exchange the world. Okay, there's this card. I like this box. I feel like I'll not throw it away, honestly. I use it to be packing stuff. Like, see, allow me to brag. It's not easy that Binance sends you gifts. I know that a lot of people get it. But anyways, the card here, exchange the word. Yeah, it's mostly for exchange. Then here says, I don't know, should I put it here so you read, or I should read it? Let me read it. Maybe I can just put a picture. They said 2021 to 2022, 2021, 2022. I don't know why they did that. This gift celebrates your amazing contribution to Binance. Together, we've achieved the impossible, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you. No matter how far we go, our success will always start with you, our users, and the entire Binance community. From all of us at Binance. allow me to feel myself a little. But anyways, this is the first thing in the pack. I think this is like, yeah, this is hair warmer. This is a hair warmer with a Binance logo on it. Is there any need to open it? You've seen it, it's a hair warmer. I'm making I have braids on now, so I can't wait to, but let me open it sharp. That's why it's unboxing. Oh my god, this is so soft. Like, can you see this? Can you see this, man? Oh Jesus, this is so cute. See this hair warmer. If anybody comes to my house and try it on, we'll fight. Let me sound it as a warning to anybody that is to visit me and try things on. If you touch it, we will fight. In short, I'll not even keep it where people say it. But I still have some people that they can enter every corner of my house to look for something. So I don't know what this is, honestly. This is just a black paper. Or is it those paper that if you put in water you will see it right up? I don't know. Then, oh, look at this beautiful bag. Look at this backpack. Oh Jesus, this is so cute. Like, imagine me using this bag. Everybody will know that Binance. But anyways, the bag is nice and it's big. I now have another traveling bag. So you can see on it Binance. Then there's a smaller one here. Let me see how the bag is. Oh, okay. Wow, bag is huge. For hey, you can use this one to travel. There's space for laptop. I don't know, I can't show you guys inside. Yeah, there's space for laptop, and man, this is big. I have another traveling bag. No stress seeking. Yeah. So that is it for this one. Wait though, but come to think of it, this place doesn't have cover, so I'll just do it like this. Okay, yeah, there's this big backpack, and there's a hoodie. Oh, can you see the color? Oh Jesus, I love this. Can you see the color? You know, the sweet thing about it is, before they sent out the gift, or when they pick you like that, okay, you deserve something from them, they actually asked for size. Like, that was why I was happy, because what if they now bring something that is smaller than me? So I'll not be happy for no reason. But I'm just happy that they asked for our sizes before, you know, doing it, or before sending it out. So now I'm sure that yes, I'm going to wear this. Can you see this? Binance here and Binance here. Yo, I'm sure I'm gonna wear this. Oh my god, like, but this is imagine wearing this, wearing the hair bonnet. People will be like, what's wrong with this girl? Is she advertising Binance? Yeah, actually, why I wanted to unbox this, or what I was anticipating, I watched other people unbox their presents from Binance, but everybody seemed to have different package. You get, because there's someone I watched and they gave him like they gave him a polo t-shirt. Yes, they gave him polo t-shirt. They gave him a very big towel with Binance on it, and hair, no, not even hair warmer, a face cap. So I think, I don't know, maybe depends on region or something, but yeah, this is what I got, and I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy. Like, see, anybody that know me, you know that the way I love gifts. If you want me to love you for the rest of your life, just be buying me gifts. Like, I appreciate, even if it's little, but let it be that maybe I bought this thing for you, or I decided to gift you this. I feel so happy. I don't know why, but I feel so happy. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I'm going to end this video now. Like I'm so happy. I don't know if I should wear the hoodie and wear this thing for my thumbnail, but no, I'm not doing Binance adverts. I'll not be wearing everything. I'll be doing thumbnail. But anyways, I'm really grateful, and I just hope that 2022 come with greater opportunities. Let's be able to achieve more. Like, I wish I can get to that point that I will win car. Hey, have you seen Binance car? Jesus. Have you seen Binance car? Hey, cool. I don't mind people saying that I'm advertising. I'll be driving it everywhere. But anyways, yeah, that's it. 2022 will come with greater opportunities, and yep. This is where I'm going to end this video. See you guys in my next one. See the way I'm smiling. I'm so happy. I'm doing like somebody that one boy is toasting. And I'm telling him, don't worry, I'll think about it. Yeah, but anyways, I've said anyways like how many times now? Anyways. See you guys in my next one. Please do it to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, if there's any video suggestion, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want to talk about, let me know in the comment section. Bye. See you guys in my next one, and I love you. Yeah, I love you. Like, I really do love you. Another last kiss.